The next thing we're going to do is define electric potential. The electric potential is the potential energy per unit charge. So in an electric field, the field described by an intensity and a direction at every point in space, the electric potential is defined as a value at a point in space. And that enables us to do the same sort of thing that fields enable us to do relative to forces, which is we can calculate an arbitrary distribution and then place different objects into that distribution to see what's going to happen. When we talk about potential, we're always talking about a difference between 2 points. So there is a standard assumption that the potential is equal to 0 when two charges are separated by an infinite distance, which corresponds to the earlier assumption that we made about potential energy. However, there are some other instances where we assign the 0 to be some other convenient place, such as the common terminal on a multimeter. The unit for electric potential is the joule per coulomb, and it is called the volt, named after the guy who invented the voltaic cell, an electric storage battery. Definitionally, the difference in potential between 2 points is equal to the negative of the work done on a small positive test charge moved between those 2 points. It is also thought of as the ratio of potential energy to unit charge, hence the unit, joule per coulomb, energy per charge. It is equal to the negative of the work done per charge, and the force, being QE, allows our Q naughts to cancel and gives us with the very familiar form negative integral from a to b E dot ds. Very easy to lose track of this negative sign, and very important that you don't. As we said, the unit for potential is the joule per coulomb, a volt. And we define one electron moved through a potential difference of 1 volt as being an energy of 1 electron volt. So the charge on an individual electron is very small, so an electron volt is a very small unit of energy, but it's a very useful unit of energy, both in terms of what we're doing here and also in terms of chemistry, where it's a very convenient size for many purposes.